Israel laga Jerusalem outskirts te dangor wildfire ula bichide Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu bra region do national emergency declare kurishe. Wildfire bhari gina joy thaka karne mass evacuation jaise aro major highways khan bon kuri digina ase. Israel the wildfire ula do chwa kali April 30 te thagishe kude authorities pradesh laga itias te sobse dangor wildfire ase kushe. Misilat Zion osorde jui ula bole shuru hoishe aro westward te Filaigina jai she itu bichide wind gust 90 to 100 kilometers per hour pungcha karne east te bhi Filaigina jeshe. Firefighters kan jui mutabole koshish kuriese ulibi jui contain kurubole diktari samna kurubole nishna ase koigina authority bra janeshe. Itu noigina evacuation or rescue operation karne military deploy kurigina ase. Israel laga emergency medical service pra janashe ki itia homoy 23 manu ke ilaj kurigina ase kude 13 June do burns aro smoke inhalation thaka karne hospitalized hoigina ase. Itia homoy jui mutabole aro halat under control de anibole karne Israel authority bra 120 firefighter units, aircraft, helicopters aro military teams mobilized kurigina ase. Israel Defense Force bra search and rescue personnel, fire trucks, water tanks aro Super Hercules planes deploy kuri dishi aro fire retardant material 25 lots drop kurigina ase. Prime Minister Benjamin Bawan Kushiki rapidly advancing flames to Jerusalem de Punchubule Parwa. Benjamin Ba fire engines or fire breaks bishi lagibo Janagina Jerusalem defend kurubule to priority ase kushe. Benjamin Ba Janashiki Italy or Croatia bra tinta firefighting planes pathabole ase. Itia homoy Israel laga halat pia hoigina thaga homoy Israel sarkar bra international aid mang kurigina ase. Itia homoy hatsa de mot walaga jankari do nai hulebi 18 Manu nishna hospitalized hoigina ase kode duita pregnant maiki aro duita infants shamil ase. Sate 12 fighters nishna minor jokom paise koigina source pra janeshe.
Allahu Akbar.
Christian Discipleship International Bible Seminary, Samaguri, Dimapur, in collaboration with Christian Discipleship International USA, qualified lecturers with biblical wisdom and knowledge to shape and mold students with love and care. It is homely atmosphere seminary, well equipped in library with computer facility. Christian Discipleship International Bible Seminary provides hostels with air conditioning facility. It also provides free of cost music video for the interested and talented singers. Christian Discipleship International Bible Seminary offers the following programs in very much affordable fees: Master of Divinity, Bachelor of Theology, Diploma in Theology. Admission is open. Shape your future with biblical truth and knowledge. Contact for more information 96122287668.